If you are a fan of coffee drinks like me, then I have a perfect tool for you. Welcome to Sanamskitchen. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing this Odiforgo electric milk frother, which is powerful, portable, durable, and above all, it's USB rechargeable. So let's open this up. And they have a instruction on the box as well as they have a manual inside, and it is very sturdy packaging so that it's not going to be damaged in the shipping. So here comes the charging cable. There are 3 attachments to it and they are all made up of stainless steel, and also a stand, which is a good option so that it can lay on your counter. And this is the powerful motor, the star of the product, and it is made very sturdy and it's a high quality, and the stainless steel accent is perfect. I really like it. And they have type C charging port. Also it has 3 levels: low, medium and high, and this is a battery indicator on the top which shows that it is fully charged. And they come in variety of different colors, so you can choose to match your kitchen decor. And as you can see, this is the battery indicator, and it is a very low noise, as you can hear probably, and they have 3 speed levels, so it makes you a perfect coffee. And it has a powerful motor, and one charge can last up to 3 months. And installing the attachments are super easy. You just need to align it with the notch and just click it in. Just push it in like this, and that's it. And we are ready to be a barista. Now, in changing the installments are very easy. Just remove it and then snap in the other one. This is perfect for beating eggs or batter or whipping cream, so that you have every tool you need to make a perfect coffee. And charging is super easy. It's a type C charge cable, so you're going to charge and the indicator light will turn red, and once it's fully charged it turns green. And there is a stand with it, so it doesn't take a space, and it lies perfectly on your kitchen counter. Now let's make a cold coffee. Took some chocolate syrup, and with the frother I'm going to decorate the glass. So I just dip the frother in the chocolate syrup and lift it up, and then just run the frother so that it creates these rings. And you can hold it at an angle so that it can create oblique rings or straight rings. It's up to you. You can also use a condensed milk to do this. Now in a separate cup I'm going to take coffee powder. This is the instant coffee powder, and then 1 teaspoon sugar, little bit of hot water, and then there goes my frother. And in quick seconds, like about 15 seconds, it creates smooth, beautiful froth or coffee foam, and it is smooth as silk. As you can see, it's very quick. So I'm just going to clean the brush by just running it over it, and you can lay it on the stand. It's very convenient. Now pour some ice cubes and milk. You can enjoy this hot or cold. I'm making it cold. And then pour the foam on top of it. Look how beautiful it looks, as if you're sitting in a cafe and have ordered an expensive coffee, and in less than 2 minutes. So I hope you find this review helpful. If you did, I have a link in the description box, Odiforgo milk frother with a special discount code. So I'll see you guys next time with another simple video. Till then, bye bye.